Here's how you install Tailwind CSS to a Nuxt project. First, go to your nuxt.js project and install the Tailwind dependency using npm. You can find all the commands in the description. And after that, run the init command to generate a tailwind.config.js file. Second, add Tailwind to your postcss configuration by adding Tailwind CSS and autoprefixer to the postcss.plugin object in the nuxt.config.js file. You can copy the code from the Tailwind documentation. The link is also in the description. Third, configure the template path by adding the path to your template files in the tailwind.config.js in the content object. Fourth, create an asset folder and a CSS folder. Now create a main.css file and add the Tailwind directives for each of Tailwind's layers. Fifth, add the created main.css file to the CSS array in the nuxt.config.js file. And now you're done. You can run your development server and use the Tailwind framework in your code.